Good evening, everybody. It's Dr. A back in the garden. I can just keep doing these things because there's so many fabulous things to share with you. You know, this yarrow thing. You know what the heck does yarrow mean anyway? Actually, it's it's an old English for plant or herb. But this yarrow, it can be fabulous. Achillea, named after the great Greek warrior. This is one called Ritzy Ruby. It's a series, the Ritzy series, and this is one of the better ones. It's been growing wonderfully well in my garden. Some of the flowers are almost done, but boy, they just keep coming. I love it, and you know, I love it. It just goes well with everything, and the fragrance of the foliage, you may not like it, but boy, it is. It does smell, and it smells quite lovely. Anyway, yarrow, easy to grow. You can bring it as a cut flower. Goes just about anything. And this one is Ritzy Ruby. So let's get out, get our hands dirty, and enjoy the garden.